we doing today, guys?
Skydiving!
Jumping out of airplanes with strangers. You guys ready for this?
Absolutely, let's do it.
Whose idea was this? Your fault if this goes wrong? Let's go have some fun. High fives. Here we go. 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 Woo! Oh yeah! Found an airplane. You guys ready to go up high? Come down really fast? Oh yeah, bring it back. Here we go. Yoo-hoo! Guys ready to go skydiving? How you feel?
So good!
All right, left arm up, right arm all the way down. Hold it. How was that? You like it?
Yeah!
You wanna go left? All right, left arm down. Let's go. Hold it, hold it. Yeah, arms up. Nice. You're a rock star. Skydiving. Give me a little bit of a ride. Nice. Nice, be on the ground. We did it. How you feel? Yeah. How do you guys feel?
Great.
You did so good up there. What was your favorite part?
Probably the fall.
The fall?
Honestly, absolutely. Yeah. Trying to catch your breath.
What did you think about flying the parachute?
Oh, it was awesome. So
You did
fun.
so
Yeah,
good.
thank you so much.
Yeah.
That was so awesome.
Well, thank you guys for coming out.
Yeah,
Skydive
thank you.
Colorado Springs, let's go!